Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to show how can you see your subscribers, that means who have subscribed your YouTube channel. For that reason, go to your right side icon, then press YouTube Studio. Obviously it will stay in dashboard, not any others menu. I have to go dashboard, then scroll a little. From right side bar you can see recent subscribers, last 90 days. See all. From here you can see your subscribers list. You can see 10 per page or 30 subscriber per page or 50. Now question is, I have already 181 subscribers, but I can see here only 23 subscribers. But where is the other subscribers? We can see a notice only includes users who have made their subscribers public. In my next video I will show how to subscriptions public or private. That means which channel's subscription will public, we can see their account here, and which subscription will be private, we can't see their account here. Sometime you can't see this dialog here. If I go to my another channel, from the right side icon, go to YouTube Studio, press dashboard, scroll a little. I can't see the thumbnail here because I have no subscribers and no one subscription is public. I think you understand this. How can you see your subscribers list from your YouTube channel? So that's all. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to get update videos in future. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.